I became a traveler just after college, living abroad and taking any job to keep me on the road. That's me working a cheeky donut shop in Australia, teaching English in Vietnam, and becoming a tie-dye instructor in the Rocky Mountains. And that one time, I had to hitchhike through New Zealand after some French girls quite literally kicked me to the curb. Yeah, my 20s were one hell of an adventure. For the past 3 years, I've been on a journey living off-grid full-time in my truck camper. I'm currently in Central Oregon for the summer, and like usual, things never go to plan. Today I'm fixing my mirror. I broke it 6 months ago. Whoa! At this point, I'm thinking, this is probably not gonna work out for me. This project might be more than my skill level. And then, out of nowhere, I found my hang-up. There was one bolt still in there.
Alright, so I'm trying to get this bolt out right here.
Yay!
Okay, I've got to get this wire right here out.
In hindsight, I should have watched a few videos on how to do this, but the Amazon reviews said it was easy. They said just plug and play. So that's what I did.
2 hours later.
Okay. Yay! Okay, so this cord's free. I just gotta unscrew these now. Because I'm not used to doing DIY projects, it took me ages to find the right socket for the job. For instance, I didn't even know I had deeper sockets that I could use that came in multiple sizes. Yay! I found a deeper one. I didn't know I'd have this in my toolbox. Yay! Okay. I had to take the panel off the other door so that I could see how to plug it in, because I didn't make a note of which plug went where when plugging the mirror back in. It needs to be a little bit smaller than 1132. 5/16. No. 932. Yeah. I forgot how it needs to be plugged in, so I'm kind of checking over here about what to unplug first. I used my phone on selfie mode to kind of see underneath what I couldn't see when I looked down, if that makes any sense. Black, green, blue, black being on the outer. It's hard to see down here. Maybe I'll... Ooh, that's cool, using your phone. The driver's side was obviously a bit quicker because I knew what I was doing. I camped right beside a mountain bike trail and had quite the number of bikers come by me while I was working. Yay, it works. Oh yeah. Okay, we're good. Oh, okay. So excited. To end this video, I want to say that self-reliance is really satisfying, and I think with taking on my own projects, that's what I'm learning. And I could make the money to pay someone to do installs maybe quicker than doing the install myself, but there really is something satisfying about learning how to do something new and accomplishing it. With that being said, I'm about to take my truck to the mechanic and get a whole lot of work done, so my self-reliance is minimal, but I'm getting there. That's it for this video. See you next time. Bye.